In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam Desktop Guard. Steam Guard adds an extra layer of security to your Steam account. You can think of it like a digital lock for your games and account information. If someone tries to sign in from a new device, Steam will send a special verification code that must be entered before access is allowed. This helps protect your account from unauthorized logins and makes it much harder for hackers to get in. To enable Steam Guard using email codes, start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click Steam. If you're using a Mac, the wording may be slightly different in places, but the process is very similar. From that menu, click Settings. On Mac, this may appear as Preferences instead. This will open the main settings window where you can manage different parts of your Steam account. Next, click the Security tab. This is where Steam keeps the options related to account protection and sign-in verification. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to look through the settings menu carefully. Once you're in the security section, click Manage Steam Guard. This will open the available Steam Guard protection options, allowing you to choose how you want to receive your login codes. Then select Get Steam Guard Codes by email. After this is enabled, Steam will send a code to your verified email address whenever you sign in on a new computer or device. Make sure you still have access to that email inbox, since you'll need those messages to complete future logins. That's all it takes to turn on Steam Guard with email verification. Keeping this feature enabled is a simple but important way to make your Steam account more secure.